Today, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the map page, which is probably the feature you'll use the most. Everything here is quite simple to learn, but let's still go through it. First, on the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all your vehicles along with some status information such as the location, speed, and GPS status. Up here, you can set the time frame of the paths displayed on the map, and here you can search for vehicles, which is helpful if you have many and want to save time. Let's go through these three buttons. This one is used to create zones, a feature that has its own video, so be sure to check that out after this one. The magnet icon is for a feature called Snap to Road, which helps make your travel path look neater and more accurate. Feel free to toggle it and see the difference. Don't worry, you won't break anything. For more information on Snap to Road, again, please see the link in the description. This button here lets you change some settings for the map and what's displayed. You can switch between satellite and street view, show network coverage, and view heat maps of your travel. These three buttons on the left are simple. This one is to print, this one puts the map in full screen, and this one takes you to your current location on the map. Finally, we have the playback options here. You can press play to automatically watch a previous path or manually click through it. You can also use the slider to jump through different points. Orange indicates no journeys took place, so focus on the green lines when trying to find specific points in your trip. Thanks for watching.